Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a Gmail account. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So the problem with deleting a Gmail account is that the Gmail account is associated with the Google account, okay? And for you to delete the Gmail account, you have to delete the whole Google account. There is no way where you can delete only the Gmail account. If you create a Google account, then you have a YouTube channel, then you have a Gmail account, then you have a Google Maps, Google Photos, Google Drive, everything. You cannot just have only one thing like a YouTube only Gmail. So you need to delete the whole Google account. So how we can do this is, first of all, you're going to launch up Gmail. Now from Gmail, you're going to go onto whatever account you want to delete. Let's say the my email, and then you're going to click on manage your account. Now for manage your account, you're going to go onto data and privacy. And from data and privacy, you're going to scroll down all the way until you find something called delete your Google account. And you're going to click on delete your Google account, and then after that, you're going to click on continue. You're going to verify it's you, and after that, you can scroll down all the way and delete your account. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.